My Hope by Lydia E. Lauchello. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, I hope if everybody runs, you choose to stay. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, the only way you can know you gave it all you had. But make allowance for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, I hope that you spend your days, but they all add up. And when that sun goes down, I hope you raise your cup. Or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. I hope when the water rises, you built a wall. And yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, I hope when you take that jump, you don't fear the fall. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two imposters just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, I'd like to teach the world to sing. Or watch the things you gave your life to broken and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss and lose and start at your beginnings and never breathe a word about your loss, if you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, I hope that you fall in love and it hurts so bad. And so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. I like to teach the world to sing. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, I hope when the crowd screams out, they're screaming your name. Or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, I hope that you don't suffer, but take the pain. If all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, I hope that you spend your days, but they all add up. And when that sun goes down, I hope you raise your cup. I wish that I could witness all your joy and all your pain. But until my moment comes, you'll say, I did it all. I did it all. I own every second that this world could give. I saw so many places, the things that I did. Yeah, with every broken bone, I swear I lived. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And, which is more, you'll be a man, my son.